The Max IQ Mid-Major Player of the Day for January 7, 2026 is Derek Simpson from St. Joseph's. Simpson was unstoppable in their conference win over Duquesne by consistently making the right reads, getting to the rim, and turning steals into transition opportunities. Duquesne is icing the ball screen, not letting Simpson get over the top, so his big flips the angle, and he steps into a wide open three. Off this ball screen, Simpson keeps two defenders engaged. Nobody tags the roll, so he throws it up and lets the big finish. Another ball screen possession here. Simpson's able to get into the teeth of the defense and get into a tough floater for the and one. Simpson had 4 steals in this game. He did a great job of having active hands and disrupting the Duquesne passers and turns it into 2. Simpson gets in the paint here, is under control, and hits a tough pull-up jump shot. Big OT possession here. Simpson blows by his defender, gets in the paint under control, and finds the shooter to tie the game. Simpson comes off the ball screen here, sees his big get behind the defense, so he throws it up and lets him do the rest.